members, we have quorum.
Akiambĩrĩria na mahĩtia manene marĩa munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua acukĩirwo, mũmbunge wa Kibwezi ya ithũĩro Mwenge Mutuse ambĩrĩirie na kũmenereria rũrĩmĩ rwa Gachagua, kiuga mĩario yake ĩkoretwo ĩgĩthiĩ mũgarũ na muma ũrĩa ahĩtithirio naguo na gatiba ya bũrũri.
Ground number 2, gross violation of articles 147(1) and 152(1) of the Constitution by undermining the President and the Cabinet and the effective discharge of national government's executive mandate.
Kulingana na Mutuse, munini wa president handũ ha gũteithĩrĩria munene wake President William Ruto akoretwo agĩikia mĩario ya kwagĩra wabici yake gĩtĩo ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩkĩonania matirĩ kĩongo kĩmwe.
His Excellency the Deputy President has made unilateral statements inconsistent with policy positions collectively adopted by the government and contradicted the President on critical matters of governance.
Ndereti-inĩ ĩno Mutuse uma na mbica cia hau gatene ikĩonania Gachagua gĩthomera atongoria thĩinĩ wa mĩcemanio ĩtiganĩte.
Gross violation of Article 3(1) and Article 148(5)(a) of the Constitution on the fidelity to the oath of office and allegiance. That His Excellency the Deputy President breached his oath of office and allegiance on account of the utterances and actions attributed to the Deputy President under grounds 1, 2, and 3.
Ambunge atumia arĩa mauma na ihinda rĩa kũruta mawoni bunge-inĩ maugĩte Gachagua akoretwo akĩmagĩra gĩtĩo na njĩra nene nginyagia gũkinya handũ akameta ciugo cirĩ magigi rĩrĩa maregana na rĩtana rĩake.
Respect women. That one is not a leader. Calling women prostitutes. So when a woman is being a prostitute, who is the other prostitute? Then he must be the one.
He has been attacking women and especially members of parliament, me and others included in this house. And therefore he can never, and he has no respect for women, and he can never work with women.
Honorable Speaker, I remain a Kikuyu. But sadly, since our difference in opinion with His Excellency the Deputy President, I have been the poster girl of his intimidation, of his insults, of his blackmail, of his coercion, telling me that I should not engage the national government, that I should not follow up for resources for my people.
Atongoria angĩ arĩa maranyita mbaru ndereti ya kũmũhagũra maugĩte atĩ hingo ciothe Gachagua ona kanya ga kũmarĩria ndakoretwo akĩhe wĩra wao gĩtĩo na mũno makĩria kwaga kũmahe kanya igũrũ rĩa maretha ũteithio wake.
Mimi nimekaa kule East Africa Community kipindi ya miaka 5. Nilikuwa na Sematia ambaye ni dada yangu. Katika kipindi ya miaka 5 sijawahi kusikia Sematia akiwa ni malaya, lakini naibu wa rais alisimama akasema kwamba Sematia ni malaya.
I stood firm against the bullying that I experienced under that regime. The same bullying I have stood firm against our Deputy President today, who has been bullying members of parliament. And I have only put my chest forward to defend the rights of all these members.
Mr. Speaker, thank you for the opportunity you have given me. And as I stand here as a Muslim, I don't know when I'll die. In case I die before the impeachment time, I vote yes, Gachagua must go.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Gĩcimo Joseph.